I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You start by confirming your Acer actually supports Google TV and that firmware is current. This prevents compatibility problems later. Once done, power the TV and plug an HDMI 2.0 or ARC cable into the set-top or stick, then select that input. Make sure you have your Wi-Fi name and password and a Google account ready, because the next screens will ask for them right away. That preparation speeds the onboarding and avoids repeated restarts. Now connect the Acer to your home network. Choose the faster 5 GHz band when possible to reduce buffering. After network connection, sign in with your Google account so apps, recommendations, and device sync work across services. Make sure to enable location and backup options so casting and personalized suggestions function correctly. Follow the remote prompts to accept terms, grant permissions, and select basic preferences. Doing this configures app recommendations, and initial app installs automatically, saving time. Finish by letting Google TV download and install initial app updates. This can take several minutes and ensures security patches apply. Next, customize input labels and rearrange apps so the content you use most is front and center. This helps you navigate faster. If the setup stalls or network errors appear, restart both the router and TV, then retry. Often a simple restart clears DHCP or handshake issues. If problems persist, temporarily connect via Ethernet.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.